Do you guys have anything for us? Is there anything in here? Oh, we have eggs. Hey guys, I'm Pearl. Welcome back to my channel. The reason why my voice sounds weird is because I have a cold, but it's minor and I'm getting over it quickly. But anyway, that's why my voice sounds kind of sniffly. So I have some great news. The chickens have finally started laying eggs. They started laying eggs about a month ago. I just hadn't gotten around to showing you guys yet because I've been really busy. The first chicken that started laying eggs was actually Ruby and the last was Poppy. And I never thought it would be an issue for us, but we actually do have a broody hen. Ruby is actually fairly broody. Because we only have 3 chickens, we are still having to buy 1 carton of eggs, like maybe every 2 weeks, because the eggs that our chickens are producing in the long run is just not enough for all 4 of us in our house. So we are planning on getting a few more chicks this spring so that we will have more chickens and we won't even have to buy eggs from a store anymore. Oh, and guys, the egg yolk color from our eggs compared to the store-bought eggs is so different. The ones from the store are like light yellow and ours are like super rich orange. And now here's just some cute footage of the chickens.